Now we can solve 8.3, 9, 10 and 11. Find the amount to be paid at the end of 3 years in each case. That is, after 3 years. Principal is equal to rupees 1200 at 12% per annum. Then next question, principal is equal to rupees 7500 at 5% per annum. Okay. In both case, principal and rate is given for each question. Also paid at the end of 3 years, that is after 3 years, time duration. Clear? Now we can solve the first question. Principal is given that rupees 1200 and rate is also given, that is 12% per annum. Then find the amount to be paid at the end of 3 years. So T is equal to 3 years. We have to find amount. Amount is equal to principal and interest. We have to add both these money. Okay. Then we know that first we have to find the interest. Interest is equal to, interest I is equal to PRT divided by 100. So here P is equal to 1200 times R is equal to 12, then T is equal to 3 on 100. Okay, we can cut these two zeros and these two zeros. Then we will get the answer rupees 432. So we got I, interest is equal to rupees 432. Now we have to find the amount. So A is equal to P plus I. We know that principal is equal to 1200. So 1200 plus 432. Answer will be 1632. So total amount is equal to rupees 1632. That is, after 3 years, the amount to be paid, how much rupees? That is rupees 1632. Clear? Now we can go through the second question. Question number B. Here the P is equal to rupees 7500 and rate is given 5%. Also, here also the time duration is 3 years itself. Here we know I is equal to PRT on 100. I is equal to 7500 times 5 and 3 on 100. We can cut these two zeros, these two zeros. Then the answer is equal to, that is interest is equal to rupees 1225. Then we have to find the amount after 3 years. Amount to be paid after 3 years. That is, anyway we have to pay the principal and this interest. So 1225. So the answer will be 8625. The amount to be paid after 3 years will be rupees 8625. Clear? Next, 10th question. What rate gives rupees 280 as interest on a sum of rupees 56,000 in 2 years? So it is given that on a sum is given, that is the principal, in 2 years. So time duration is there. What rate give rupees 280 as interest? So interest is given. We have to find the rate. What rate? Clear? We know the equation. I is equal to PRT on 100. Okay. So here I is given, that is 280, which is equal to, P is equal to 56,000. We don't know R, we have to find out. Then T is equal to 2 years on 100. These two zeros and these two zeros. We can cut these two zeros. Then 280. We have to think about the algebraic equation. So here R, clear. 56 times 2 equal to, oh here the question is 56,000. Okay. So remaining 560 times R times 2. So 56 times 2, 1,120 times R. So 280 is equal to 1,120. Okay. So here we have to find R. How can we find? Actually 1,120 R is equal to 280. We have to find the R. Here multiplying by 1,120. So 280. We have to take this number on RHS part. So here multiplying. So that will be the opposite operation. Here multiplication. So that will be the division. Okay, we can cut this one and this one. After then 280 divided by 1,120, we can cut these two. So 28 on 112. We can divide these two by 2 itself. So that is equal to 14 on 56. Again we can divide by 2. That will be 7 on 28. 7 on 28. So we can divide these two numbers by 7 itself. That is equal to 1 on 4. We know quarter is equal to quarter. We can divide 1 by 4. 0. There is no 4 in 1. So we can keep here 1 0. After then decimal, at that time keep here 1 0. So 2. 2 fours are 8, then subtraction, then 20, 5 fours are 20, then subtraction 0. So that is equal to 0.25. Okay, now we got rate. Rate per annum is equal to 0.25 per 100. Clear? Next 11th question. If Meena gives an interest of rupees 45 for 1 year at 9% rate per annum, what is the sum she has borrowed? So if Meena gives an interest of rupees 45, so interest is equal to 45, 1 year time duration, rate is also given, that is 9%. What is the sum she has borrowed? So we know that is equal to principal. Okay. So it is given principal is equal to what? We have to find principal. So interest is given, that is rupees 45, and rate is also given, that is 9%. Then time duration T is equal to 1 year. Okay. Then we have to find borrowed money, that will be the principal. Okay. We know the equation I is equal to PRT on 100. Here P we don't know, we have to find, but I is equal to 45. So 45 is equal to P times 9. 9 is the rate times time, that is 1 on 100. Okay. Then we can do 45 times 100. We can take here dividing by 100. We can take to this side. So 45 times 100 is equal to P times 9. 9P. Okay. 9P times 1. That itself. So 45,000 is equal to 9P. So we can find P. P is equal to 4,500 on 9. Can cut this for 9 and 45. That will be 500. 5 will be there. Then 2 more zeros. So P is equal to, principal is equal to 500 rupees. Okay, so we can say borrowed money will be 500 rupees. Okay. Thank you.